loop, making the system better. Now, let's dive into a real-world case study to see how AI is impacting closed-loop chemical manufacturing. Consider a leading chemical manufacturer that implemented AI in their closed-loop system. This trailblazer in the industry faced a common challenge: optimizing their complex processes while minimizing waste and maintaining safety. The challenge was like finding a needle in a haystack, but they were not deterred. They turned to artificial intelligence to help them navigate this labyrinth. By integrating AI into their closed-loop system, they were able to analyze real-time data and make adjustments on the fly. This wasn't just about tweaking the system here and there. No, this was about complete process optimization, a fundamental transformation of how they operate. The results? A significant increase in efficiency and a drastic reduction in waste. They were now able to produce more with less, all while maintaining the highest safety standards. This is the power of AI in action. As we can see, the potential of AI in closed-loop chemical manufacturing is immense. In the past few minutes, we've taken a deep dive into the world of AI in chemical manufacturing. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We started by exploring the AI revolution in this industry, noting how it's not merely about automation, but about optimizing operations and making them more efficient and sustainable. From there, we moved on to understanding the concept of closed-loop chemical manufacturing. This innovative approach uses real-time data to continuously improve processes, minimize waste, and maximize output. AI plays a pivotal role in this, providing the intelligence needed to analyze, predict, and adapt to changing conditions. We also looked at a real-world case study that showcased the tangible impact of AI in this field. The case study underscored the potential of AI to revolutionize chemical manufacturing. As technology continues to evolve, the role of AI in industries such as chemical manufacturing will only become more significant. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI.